Hello, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do a sum or how to sum across sheets. So like we see here, we have sums of apps for the first quarter, okay, we have the second quarter, of the third one, the fourth quarter, and each quarter has its total here, and in the end we want all the totals for all the quarters, so for the year. So how can we do this based on the four sheets, the four previous sheets? So to do this, first thing we need to calculate the total in every sheet. So to calculate it, there is a shortcut to do it. So we're gonna select all the cells and Alt equal. So this hashtag sign here, or the num sign, it's based that the width of the cell is not fit. So just to fit it, I'm gonna click here and we have our sum. So let's do the same thing for the quarter 2. So select everything, Alt equal, and click here, Alt equal, okay, and then Alt equal. So this is it. We have all the sums for the quarters. So now we need to do the total solve. So to do the total solve, there's two methods to do it. So the first one is the easiest one to do. So like I said, it's the normal way to do it. So we have just to click here in equal. Okay, we're gonna go to solve key one, and we want just the first one, then plus sign. Okay, we click on solve key Q2 and then select the cell E4, and then do this for Q3 and do it for Q4, and we have just to enter. So if we click here, we're gonna have all the calculation. So this is the first method. So what is bad about this method? So there is some limitations for this method. The first thing that if we see here in the formula bar, let's just click here. Okay, the formula here is a long formula and has a lot of things. We can have some errors doing it, and it takes time. And the second thing is, let's imagine that this solve, we had some additions. We didn't calculate something previously. So to add this, so I'm gonna just have a duplicate of it. So click and then move a copy, create a copy of solve 4. So it's this one. So I have it here. So this copy here, if I want to enter all the data I missed previously in it, so I need to go to each one and just click here and plus and go and do this and click on enter. So and then apply to it. So doing this, it takes time and I can have some errors. So there is another method to do it. So the second method to do this is called the 3D formula. It's across the sheets. We're gonna have sheet. We're gonna have all the sum in an easier way, and it's a dynamic and have a lot of advantages in case we forget something to add in between the sheets. So to do this, it's easy. So we have just to click on our. So we're gonna just call the sum function, and then we're gonna click on the first one, on solve key 1, and we want from solve key 1 to solve key 4. So we're gonna hold shift and click on solve key 1, and then just select the cell we want. So it's E4 and click enter. So we have our sum. it's easy. So the thing here is that the thing we need to be sure is that our totals should be in the column E. Okay, so here, and all the sheets here need to have the same format. So like that, it's in every E4 I have a sum of box 5. Okay, so it's for this one, and also this one. And the second thing is when we see in our formula here, it's as if it has edges. Okay, so the first edges it's source key 1 and the last one is source key 4. So what we do here is that we sum everything in between source key 1 and source key 4, including the Q1 and Q4. So that's what he's doing. So for example, if I took the source key 3 and put it out of source key 4, so I'm gonna see my my sums here are adjusted and they didn't took in consideration the source key 3 here. But if I put it in between, so I will have it add automatically. So this is a dynamic way. Like I said before, if we forget to add some sums, so let's just do a copy of this. Okay, Q4, and it's in between Q4 and Q1. So it took in consideration and adjusted like it should be. So it's here is 606, and if I add this inside, so it's 706. So this is two methods of doing a sum across the sheets. See you in the next video.